Imagine this. You walk every day, but your legs still feel heavy and unstable. Why does that happen? The exercise we've always been told is the gold standard after 60 might not be enough to keep your body strong. Imagine finishing a walk only to feel your legs heavy, your energy drained, and your balance just a little off. Here's the surprising truth. There's a hidden muscle deep in your lower leg that doctors now call your body's second heart. And if this powerful muscle stays asleep, no amount of walking will give you the stability and energy you deserve. The shocking truth. Walking does a lot for your health. It keeps your heart pumping, your lungs working, and your joints moving. But here's what almost nobody tells you. Walking alone barely activates one of the most important muscles in your body. A muscle buried deep in your lower leg that doctors now call your body's second heart. When this muscle stays asleep, the effects are hard to ignore. Heavy, dragging legs, swelling around the ankles, energy that fades faster than it used to, and sometimes that unsettling moment when your balance feels just a little unstable. But here's the twist. This isn't aging taking control. It's not inevitable decline. It's neglect. And the truth is, you can reawaken this hidden muscle at any age. And when you do, you'll feel lighter, stronger, and more stable than you have in years. Exercise 1. Seated heel raise. This first move is simple, gentle, and surprisingly powerful. In just 2 minutes, you'll feel energy flow back into your legs, lighter, steadier, and more connected to the ground beneath you. It's the fastest way to wake up the hidden muscle your body depends on for circulation and balance. Here's how to do it. Sit tall in a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor, knees bent at about 90 degrees. Keep the balls of your feet pressed firmly into the floor. Now slowly lift both heels as high as you can. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds, then lower them back down with control. Don't let them drop. The control is what makes the difference. Repeat this 10 to 15 times, once or twice a day. Each lift trains your soleus, your body's second heart, to pump blood back upward, reducing swelling, easing that heavy feeling, and giving you a steady boost of energy throughout the day. It doesn't look flashy, but you'll be surprised how quickly it makes a difference. A quick word of caution. If you've had a recent blood clot, painful varicose veins, or sharp calf pain, check with your doctor before starting. Otherwise, this movement is safe for nearly everyone. And it's just the beginning. Because once this hidden muscle is awake, the real challenge begins. What happens when we take it out of the chair and make it support your body while standing? Exercise 2. Standing calf raise. Now that the second heart in your legs is awake, it's time to take it from sitting to standing. This simple move not only strengthens your calves, it teaches your body to trust itself again every time you rise to your feet. Here's how to do it. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and place your hands lightly on a sturdy surface, like a countertop or chair for balance. Slowly lift your heels as high as you comfortably can. Pause for a second at the top, then lower them back down with control. Aim for 10 to 15 slow, steady reps. Each rise and descent does more than build muscle. It retrains your balance system. With every repetition, your ankles, knees, and hips learn to coordinate again, giving you steadier steps and more confidence in daily life. This is the point where many people start to notice they feel stronger, lighter, and less wobbly. But we're not done yet, because even though you've reawakened your stability, the deepest engine of balance is still asleep. And unlocking it is the real key to lifelong confidence. Exercise 3. Bent knee calf raise. There's one more piece of the puzzle, and it's the part almost everyone overlooks. Deep in your lower leg lies a muscle that doesn't show in the mirror, but it quietly decides whether you stay steady or take a fall. This hidden balance muscle is the true engine of stability, and most people over 60 never train it. Here's how to wake it up. Stand behind a sturdy chair or countertop and hold on lightly for balance. Shift your weight onto one leg, bend that knee just slightly, and lift your heel as high as you comfortably can. Pause for a moment at the top, then slowly lower it back down. Do 8 to 12 reps, then switch to the other leg. The bent knee is the key. It shuts off the outer calf muscle and forces the deeper, slower, more powerful soleus to fire. This is the muscle built for endurance, posture, and balance. Training it makes the difference between moving with hesitation and moving with quiet confidence. Most people think falls are just part of aging, but by waking up this hidden stabilizer, you're teaching your body to stay steady in the moments that matter most. And now that you've activated all 3 moves, it's time to bring everything together into one powerful routine. Exercise 4, toe lifts, the forgotten front line. Most people train the back of their legs, but almost no one trains the front, the muscles that lift your toes. Yet these tiny movers are the first line of defense against trips and stumbles. Ignore them, and every step feels heavier than it should. Here's how to fire them up. Stand tall with your heels planted on the ground. Without leaning back, lift your toes as high as you can, hold for 2 seconds, then slowly lower them. Repeat for 10 to 15 reps. If you want more challenge, try it barefoot. This simple move strengthens the tibialis anterior, the brake muscle that keeps you from catching your foot on the ground. It's one of the most underrated ways to stay sure-footed and light. With just a few sets, you'll notice your steps feel sharper, faster, more controlled. And yet, as powerful as this is, there's still one final move that ties it all together. Exercise 5, single leg balance hold, the stability test. Every fall risk, every shaky step comes down to one thing: balance. And the ultimate test for your body is whether it can trust itself on just one leg. If you can't, your nervous system panics. If you can, it learns to stay calm under pressure. Here's the move. Stand near a wall or chair for safety. Shift your weight onto one leg and slowly lift the other just a few inches off the ground. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Switch sides. As you improve, close your eyes or let go of support for an extra challenge. This isn't just about strength, it's about retraining your brain and muscles to work together. The small stabilizers in your hips, ankles, and core all fire at once, creating the foundation for real balance. The longer you hold, the more confidence you build. And with this final move, you've unlocked the full routine, a set of exercises that keep your second heart alive, your balance sharp, and your independence secure. 5 exercises to regain balance, strength, and independence. This isn't just about exercise, it's about independence. Every lift, every hold, every moment you spent waking up that second heart has been an investment in your freedom to move without fear. These aren't gym tricks. They're the keys to keeping your body strong and your confidence unshakable. And now the hidden engine inside your legs is awake. Blood flows better, balance feels steadier, and strength returns in ways most people your age never imagined possible. Your second heart is alive, and it's time to use it every single day. So here's your challenge. Stay consistent, protect your independence, and prove to yourself that age doesn't have to mean decline. If you're ready to take that step forward, drop a comment below with the words, "I'm activated," and let the world know you're not slowing down.